Today, we're diving into a classic old movie effect that will instantly make your footage look like it's straight out of the early Hollywood era. Whether you're going for a nostalgic aesthetic or just want to add a retro touch, this effect will do the trick. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Once that's done, let's add the vintage look. Head over to the effects panel and search for old movie. Filmora has multiple variations of this effect, but for this tutorial, I'm going with Old Movie 1, which gives that classic black and white film look with grain, flickers, and scratches. Now, simply drag and drop the effect onto your video clip. Instantly, you'll see your footage transform into an old school film strip, complete with grainy textures, flickering lights, and an aged cinematic feel. But let's take it a step further and customize the effect to make it even better. Click on the video clip, and in the Effects tab, you'll see some sliders you can tweak. Shake. This adds slide camera movement, making it look like it was shot on an old handheld film camera. Increasing this will make the footage look even more unstable, like a real vintage reel. Opacity. Adjust this to control how strong or subtle the effect appears. Lower it for a soft, faded look or keep it high for a full-on retro aesthetic. Filter. This enhances the old film aesthetic with different levels of contrast and sepia tones. Play around with it to see what fits best for your scene. Once you're happy with your settings, preview the video to see the effect in action. And there you have it. You've successfully created a vintage movie effect in Filmora. This effect is great for cinematic storytelling, historical projects, music videos, or just adding a cool retro twist to your edits. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you plan to use this. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome Filmora editing tips.